Hi, I'm Joshua from the growth team, and I'm going to show you how we use experiments to improve our onboarding experience. So right here, we're in the first page of onboarding, and this is the install step. When someone visits PostHog, we want to help them install it into their code base. And here they've got some options for frameworks. And when they click on one, they can see what the instructions are to integrate it into their code base. So when we're making changes to onboarding in the growth team, we do this via experiments. Instead of changing the code and shipping the new version of it, we'll keep both the old version of something and the new version, and we'll run an experiment to see which works better. So over in PostHog, I've created a new experiment called new installation step, and I've got a feature flag key here. So I'm going to copy that, and let's go over to the code. So here now we're in the code. We can add our new installation step flag. And then we want to decide which variant we should match against. So there are two variants for this test, the control variant and the test one. The control variant is the existing version, and users who are in the test variant should see the new version. So here we want to match against the test variant. So if a user has the new installation step, then let's show them our new thing. I've just put an example here. Okay, cool. Let's go back to the install page. And here I'm using the PostHog toolbar, and we can toggle between the control and the test variant. So this is what happens when a user sees the control variant, looks exactly as it did before. And now if we switch on the test variant, we can see we're seeing the new step. So when we ship this to production, we'll have 50% of users seeing the old version and 50% seeing the new version. Then when that hits production, our test will be running, and we can see in this example, it's been shown to 500,000 users, and we can see roughly similar numbers were in the control and the test variants, which is what we want. And we've set up some metrics here. So for onboarding, we care about that they completed onboarding. And we can see, in this case, the test variant performs better. So in the control variant, 64% completed. In the test one, about 70%. So that's a 9% increase, so we're happy with that. But we don't only just add one metric. We'll usually add a second metric, or sometimes a third. In this case, we've added a second, which is ingested an event. So we don't just want users to complete onboarding. We also want to make sure that they're ingesting events into their PostHog instance, which shows us that they've set up PostHog correctly. In this case, that's increased as well. So we're happy with the test variant. And when we are, we can complete the experiment and ship the test version.